Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I wanted to show you how to do something called string multiplication. So let's get started. Create a new file called str for string multiply. String multiply. And now what you can do, you can literally name the file whatever you want as long as it's a good name. So you can do, I'll just create a variable called user underscore input. Input set equal to input. Please enter a word. And you want to add a colon and a space. So now we get a little input box here. Stop. Hide. Nope. Okay. So we can just do next as to we can print user input times, let's say 5. I'll enter my name. It'll print it 5 times. Let's say you wanted to add, a blank line between each of them. You can do plus \n. And now that should work. Oh, that's funny. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to delete these things so we can just do a print here. I'm just going to do my name times 5. And then we can also do \n. Not debug. Sorry, guys. So you see, it printed everything on a separate line. Let me just open this here. No. Open that up. So we see that. So you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to do like Python here. You can even ask the user if they want to enter something by first writing an F here. User input equals input of please enter a word. And this \n could go, and I think the \n is allowed to go here. Let's put, you know what? Let's actually we want to remove this, we can do user input \n times 5. Times 5. Now we can enter a word. I'll just type in, program, and this works. If you want to change how much time it prints, that's this number here. Let's boot this up to, let's say 20. Please enter a word. Python. It says Python 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon on top right corner. Bye!